Hello friends, today we will learn about computer. Look closely, computers are almost everywhere, not just in the conventional setup that includes a monitor, keyboard and mouse. They are also found in everyday devices such as mobile phones, lifts, televisions and cars. From watching movies to playing games and even making dinner, computers can be used to do almost anything. Many household devices contain computers like selecting a program on a microwave. Now we will see about hardware and software. The physical parts of a computer are called hardware. These include things we can see such as the monitor and computer case, as well as the things we can't see such as the motherboard and microprocessor inside the computer case. Things like programs, the operating system and firmware, a type of program that is embedded into the microprocessor, are called software. They allow users to access the capabilities of the hardware. And how do we enter data in computer? Through input devices. There are a lot of ways to input information and interact with software running on a computer. The most common ways to do this are by using a keyboard, a mouse, or a touch screen. Looking for files. Searching for files on a computer is similar to finding them in a real-world filing cabinet. The file system on a computer is usually accessed using a window containing small icons of folders or documents. A folder can be opened to display the files inside by touching with a finger on a touchscreen or double-clicking with a mouse or trackpad. Searching for files. The best way to look for a file is to find the magnifying glass icon. Then click on it and type the file name or keywords in the search bar. Opening files. A file name usually includes a full stop followed by some letters. This is the file extension which identifies the type of file and tells the computer what kind of program it should use to open it. Deleting a file by mistake is quite common. Deleted files usually go into the recycle or trash bin and can be restored by opening the bin and taking the file out. Moving data. There are various ways to transfer data between computers. Emails can be used to attach pictures, documents, and other files to a message. There are also systems such as Google Drive or Dropbox that allows people to upload large files and folders to the cloud. This can be shared with others through a link to the uploaded file, which can then be downloaded or even edited online. Removable storage. You can also move files between computers through storage devices such as USB pen drives and removable hard drives. Data can be stored on memory cards, which can be plugged into computers to be read. Saving and backing up computers and applications can crash without warning. To avoid losing important work, it's good practice to save a file frequently while working on it. It's also useful to backup files using either a separate hard disk or an online backup service. These services are a part of cloud computing, where people use the storage facilities of a specialist provider to save data. That's all for today. If you liked today's video, then please hit the like button, comment your views and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.